But, I grew up on my grandparents' farm, and I worked construction for all my younger years for my family. And then I had an opportunity to get into an apprenticeship at General Motors, and where I grew up in Michigan, they were, a big car building area. So I was so blessed I got an opportunity to come in off the street as an apprentice in maintenance and worked my way through, got my journeyman's card, and I was a welder by trade. But that just opened up so many doors, and from there I just was able to, at my own pace, grow into, kind of more complex and different roles. So it was really exciting for me. I can tell you personally, in my going on 30 years in this type of work, what we see in plants today is totally different than that stereotype. Even in the 80s, 90s, where plants were kind of dirty, not something clean, and really hard, sweaty shop type work. And while our work is still hard, our plants are really becoming clean, bright, and clear, and really, nice facilities to spend time in. So I would challenge that stereotype today is 180 degrees different than what it was, just 25, 30 years ago. So really exciting, vibrant locations, increasing automation and increasing technical activity going on in the plants, and really that focus about building processes that are capable for folks to succeed in. So it's really exciting. I'll tell you what, this area of the country is so manufacturing centric. There's so much manufacturing around us, which is great. I would say, as I think about that, really you can step into the middle class as you walk in the door to any of these manufacturing plants. I prefer it's our plant by any account. But I think the future is going to be more clean and bright and clear and more automation. Doesn't necessarily mean less jobs. It means different types of jobs that are maybe more technical and versus loading equipment and moving parts. It's really the future of manufacturing is so bright, and all these innovations that are happening technologically are just really exciting when you think about +5, +10 years from now, and we're on the forefront of it. So it's just a great time to be in this type of work. Everyone should consider it because these jobs not only are plant floor manufacturing jobs, which are great on their own, but I don't think competitively you can go out in the workforce without the investment in education and find a job that gives you this type of payback with full benefits and all the other nice things that come with a good career. So these are actually really strong careers, and let's be frank, they built the middle class in our country. So really, if I were a younger person evaluating that value proposition between, go to college for 4 years and incur that expense versus entering the workforce in these jobs, which, by the way, will typically pay tuition reimbursement, to me it's an easy call, and one that I'll stake my background on, and actually my children, I have advised them the same way. And I have 2 of them working here at the factory. So these are, again, that entry level into the middle class, but I started out as a team member in a car plant, and I'm blessed today to be responsible for this whole operation. So I would tell you, with an open mind, with a spirit of continuously trying to do better, the sky is the limit. And companies like ours are just seeking this talent that wants to try, wants to learn. And so I would say there is not a better avenue to support yourself and a family than through these types of jobs today, and the pathway that opens up is just unlimited. So it's really, again, just super exciting, and one we should be talking about more. So